Do you want to ask the person you like if she wants to go out with you? Don't you dare? Are you shy? Then in this video you will find different ways to do it. Check if she likes you.
Ask to your contacts or to his friends discreetly if you don't have more options. Ask to the person directly if you are daring. Spy on he or she when he or she is with her or his friends, if you are shy or really desperate. If the answer is yes,
you can go on with the plan.
If the answer is no,
don't persevere. If he have a partner, sometimes it's better to give up when you can. And if he doesn't have a partner, neither, he may think that you are harassing him. Get ready.
Decide what you are going to wear.
This is up to you. Don't be excessive. You don't have to wear suit and tie, but you can go with a pajama. Just wear what you wear every day.
Decide how you are going to do it. With a message if you don't dare to do it in person.
If you want to do it in person, think about what are you going to say, but don't say it like you are doing a presentation. There are different ways.
A poster. A post-it. A ball.
Start a conversation. Hi or how are you are enough.
Hi.
Ask him, her out.
Suggest an activity that she or he likes. This can catch her or his attention. Do you want to have a coffee with me?
No, I don't like coffee.
Do you want to go to a restaurant?
No, I'm not hungry.
Do you want to go to a party?
No, I don't like people. The answer.
If he or she accepts, smile, you have succeeded. Be respectful and be happy. If he or she refuses, smile, you haven't succeeded. Don't shout to him or her, you have to accept his decision. You can go home and cry, this is up to you. Other tips.
Keep eye contact with the other person, but don't be dramatic. Don't ask too many questions.
How are you? What are you doing? How's your mother? Where are you from?
Romantic phrases.
Everyone has their own destiny. You are mine. You complete me. I want to grow old with you.